Hi everyone, this is Catherine. I'm a health coach, health and life coach, specialized in Lyme disease. I'm also a former nurse practitioner, practicing here in Quebec in the medical system. So one of the things that I get asked a lot is which products are good to use to prevent, to protect yourself from tick bites. So there's a lot of products that contain DEET, D-E-T-T. This one is the Watkins, which is very common. You might find that in outdoors and sports stores, any store that sells some fishing and hunting gear. So Watkins is very common. There's also Ungava. I know you're seeing the name backwards, but I'm telling it to you. There's so this one also has 28.5% DEET, and this one has citronella for a better smell. The thing is, DEET is very efficient, but it's also very toxic. So it's to be used sparingly and most preferably not on exposed skin. So you can put it on your clothes. I like to put DEET on my shoes and the bottom of my pants or my socks, maybe a little bit on the skin, but really just scant amount. The other product that I really like is called Care Plus. And this one is against mosquitoes, ticks, and flies. So the active ingredient in this product is icaridin, I-C-A-R-I-D-I-N, 20%. The nice thing about this product is that it is as efficient as DEET and less toxic. So you can use it a little bit more deliberately on your skin, which makes it a little bit more reassuring. And then there's also some amazing products made out of essential oils. Here in Quebec, we have Mycozayat, which is an essential oil blender manufacturer. They have all kinds of products. This one is called Anti-Tick, T-I-K. It really smells good. It's a blend of different essential oils, and I really like to use this one everywhere on my, head and face and parts that are less exposed, but like armpits and groins where ticks might want to crawl up and bite. But I don't want to bring, these are areas of the skin where it is most, products are most absorbed and they circulate into your body. So that's why I put essential oils in those areas, because I don't want the toxicity of the other chemical stuff. And another really amazing company that I just met last weekend in Maine when I was participating at a Lyme disease conference, they're called Yaya. And their website is yayaorganics.com. So yayaorganics.com. And they are made out of organic essential oils, basically. And they have the formulation for, the tick ban. And then they have another all-natural bug repellent that's good for babies and nursing mothers and pregnant mothers. And they are they're currently applying to be able to sell their products in Canada. They're only currently selling in the US, but their preliminary data from the research is showing that it might be as efficient as DEET, and yet it is organic essential oils. So really love these products. I'm going to look forward to hearing more from them and where they go. So as a general rule, what I like to do when I protect myself from Lyme or from ticks that might be carrying Lyme is, like I was saying, I put some harsher chemical stuff more on like shoes and the bottom of my pants or socks, ankles, a little bit around ankles, a little bit around wrists. So I'll put some DEET there. And then I'll use the icaridin a little bit more like on open arms and legs, so I can use it more generously. And then I'll use essential oils for everything: head, ears, neck, armpits and groin, because those are more sensitive and more absorbent areas of the body. So I hope this helps you. I wish you a beautiful summer of enjoying the outdoors. And of course, these products are great, but they're not invincible. Like, of course, when you come back from the outdoors, either from hiking, walking in the forest, or gardening, or anything like that, just inspect your body. It's the general rule to try to see if there's any ticks that's been embedded in you. And if you see a tick, make sure that you remove it. If you use tweezers, you go as close as possible to the head and you make just an upward motion. No twisting, no trying to bend it, just upward motion. And there's also little how do you call that? Another kind of tweezer, but it really has like two legs like this, and so you kind of go close to the head and then pop it up. Again, no twisting, just an upward movement. There's also myths of using Vaseline and try to asphyxiate or suffocate the tick, or use fire or a lighter to the tick so that it releases. We don't want to do that, because this will stress the tick out and it may regurgitate the content of its stomach into the body. So we really want to avoid stressing the tick, and using the tweezers or the other kind of tool will help to remove the tick safely from your skin. Awesome. So I hope this helps you. Wishing you, like I was saying, a great summer. Enjoy the outdoors, and we'll be in touch for more insights, tips, and knowledge on how to save time, money, and health on your journey back from Lyme disease. Thank you so much. Sending you love. Bye.